Nigel Owens ever.
Di Gwener. O, di Gwener yn dod o?
No, dwi'n gwybod.
Oedd y bod?
Ydw. Be, mae jyst ddim yn ei trwy. I got grog from the side.
Ardal Gofrio's Gwelch yn dda. Can I ask that Samuel School make their way over to the presentation area, please?
Oh, slacking everywhere. Only 23,000.
30k, that's it.
Yeah, is he? 26, I think.
I swear
We're going to do that size gloves. We're going to do that nice yeah, on a bit from Evans, smooth, really nice badge back.
Nawr ti'n gweld, mae'n rhywun arall rhywun.
Mae Cai, ti wedi bod hefyd? Right, not bad. Wel, ti'n gwybod, fi wedi bod lan yn cwrt o'r effo. Hanner, left, behind. True colours. Mae'n wedi gweld ystod ei well.
Chris Can.
Oh, not by choice.
Good colours, well, the thing nesaf listy, so managed to get each of us.
Yeah, fucking hell.
Oh yeah, one end. That would be then I'm in a ring.
Massive all the way down.
Yeah.
Something cool. Right for the carver of like the camp.
I'll be doing left knee.
Yeah, Joe.
Okay, nawn ni canlyniad ar gyfer y glas. So we'll do the results for the plate competition. Da iawn i'r ddau tîm sydd wedi cymryd rhan. A very well done to both teams that were in the final. It was a brilliant game to watch, game dda iawn i wylio. Dwi'n siŵr bod chi wedi blino ar wan. So da iawn chi. Nawn ni ddechrau efo'r ail safle. So second, ail yn y gystadleuaeth. Mae gennym ni So da iawn, ail yn y gystadleuaeth o ffordd second in the plate competition. We've got Saint Ail. Da iawn chi, fantastic, well done boys. Fantastic, felly gan i roi clap mawr I Saint Taylor, well done, can we give them a big round of applause? Fantastic, good job boys, there chi.
Hey, what's up? Keep knee, come on, don't bless us up. Lewis, run, Steph, finish.
Felly, enillwyr y bar, the winners of the plate, a wedi chwarae yn Adros yr Adr y Gydlydydd, played very well through the whole day, da iawn felly. Mae gennym ni Ysgol Sanlaw.
Go lead, go lead. Go, go. Get.
We're not enough on it. Back 10!
Da iawn, felly enillwyr heddiw, mae gen i Ysgol Stanwell, da iawn chi, well done boys, fantastic.
I didn't say that. It's such a fury. I said, if you're confident enough, yeah, I'll do it now. And I said, I'm not walking outside. Do not be out.
Ayaw, Tom, beat you! Ayaw, Tom!
Are you still able to do it? Because after this game,
Low and hard, low and hard, low and hard!
that's the touch I was talking about.
Come on, big scrum, Cardiff, big scrum.
Rugby trainer.
Isolate him, isolate! Look on! Well done, Spaldy! Brilliant!
Either that or you look big. Yeah, either that or you look big.
Really enjoyed bod Joe wedi gofyn. Mae hi'n bod rhywun yn meddwl bod hi'n gallu neud
Look like you're ready to be a sports teacher here. Ready to
Mae'r diwrnod mae'n hir, imagine os mae fel hwyl really drwm yn dydd. Fel mae pethau mewn Just ahead, mae'n not cael. Os yna yn y cael. Mae gen i 20 times. Luca! Warm up! Boys, water's on! Water's there. Imagine like the pethau yn dydd. They scored card then. Oh, chill out. That'll do, don't. Yeah, stop the quick one. Don't let him have a quick one. Don't let him have a quick one. Oh, so the fight. Thank you, boys. Well done. Sounds like you're on the stream, right? Don't worry about it.
Get up,
Don't
Luke,
sounds
get
like
up.
you're on the stream.
So yeah, it's possible.